Welcome, fellow adventurers, to Traveling Kangaroo. Today, we're hopping into a magical journey across America to discover the top 5 small towns that are almost too beautiful to be real. These hidden gems will make you believe you've stepped into a storybook or a dream. So, grab your travel pouch and let's bounce right into these breathtaking destinations that blend charm, culture, and captivating scenery like nowhere else. First up on our list is Sister Bay, Wisconsin, a whimsical little town nestled along the shoreline of Lake Michigan in Door County. Imagine a Northwoods version of Scandinavia, complete with Norwegian-style wooden buildings and red-roofed waterfront restaurants. Sister Bay is famous for something truly unique: goats grazing on the roof of Al Johnson's Swedish restaurant. Yes, real goats on a real grass roof. This town of just 900 residents transforms into a vibrant escape during summer and fall, drawing visitors who want to savor picturesque sunsets over crystal blue waters, kayak through peaceful bays, or simply enjoy artisan shops and classic fish boils. Sister Bay is like a little European fairy tale tucked into the Midwest, with median home prices around $470,000, showing just how much people want a slice of this tranquil paradise. Next, we hop over to the sunny coast of California to visit Capitola, a candy-colored beach town that looks like it was plucked from an Italian gelato dream. Nestled along Monterey Bay just south of Santa Cruz, Capitola charms with pastel Venetian court buildings lining the beach and a laid-back surfing culture perfect for beginners. The town is bursting with life during the famous Capitola Art and Wine Festival each fall, where artists, foodies, and wine lovers come together to celebrate. With a population of just over 10,000, this walkable town lets you stroll from beachside cafes to boutique shops without needing a car, a rare coastal treasure. Though the median home price climbs to about $1.2 million, the whimsical charm and cinematic sunsets make Capitola worth every penny. Now let's bounce up to the mountains of Utah and explore Park City, a small town with a big reputation. Known as one of America's premier ski destinations, Park City sits at 7,000 feet in the Wasatch Range and boasts the largest ski area in the United States, with over 7,300 acres of powdery terrain. But don't think it's only a winter wonderland. During summer, those ski trails turn into an epic mountain biking playground, with 450 miles of winding trails through wildflower meadows and alpine forests. And yes, it's home to the Sundance Film Festival, where celebrities flock every January to this snowy paradise. Despite its glitz and glamour, Park City retains that small-town soul with charming 1800s buildings lining Main Street filled with cozy cafes and quirky boutiques. If you're dreaming of golden autumn aspens lighting up the mountains or sipping hot cocoa after a day on the slopes, Park City is your perfect escape. Median home prices hover around $2 million, but hey, you're paying for that postcard-perfect mountain life. Our fourth stop takes us to Crested, Butte, Colorado, often called Colorado's wildflower capital. And it lives up to that name spectacularly. With only about 1,700 residents, this tiny mountain town bursts into an explosion of color every summer with 200 species of wildflowers painting the meadows like a living Van Gogh masterpiece. When winter arrives, Crested Butte turns into a powder lover's dream, with 1,500 skiable acres and an average snowfall of 300 inches. The town itself is full of Victorian-era charm along Elk Avenue, home to funky shops and cozy pubs that make you feel instantly at home. Unlike some other ski towns, Crested Butte keeps it authentic. No traffic lights, no chains, just locals waving like old friends. Median home prices are around $1.5 million, balancing rustic character with modern comforts. Whether you're hiking alpine lakes in summer or soaking up live music in mountain bars during winter, Crested Butte is a vibrant community alive with nature and creativity. Last but definitely not least is Abingdon, Virginia, a charming time capsule nestled in the Blue Ridge Mountains. Founded way back in 1778, this town of about 8,000 residents feels like stepping into history, with beautifully preserved buildings and a deep cultural heart. The Barter Theater here is one of the oldest professional theaters in the United States, showcasing commitment to the arts since 1933, even during the Great Depression. Abingdon also serves as the trailhead for the Virginia Creeper Trail, a scenic 34-mile path perfect for biking and hiking through Appalachian Wonderland. The historic downtown is packed with antique shops and craft galleries alongside restaurants serving everything from bourbon-glazed trout to wood-fired pizzas. Best part? The median home price is an affordable $260,000, making it an ideal spot for those craving small-town charm packed with culture and southern hospitality. Festivals like the Main Street Busker Fest keep this town lively year-round. So there you have it. 5 incredible small towns across America where every corner feels like a postcard come to life. Whether you're chasing European vibes in Wisconsin or mountain magic in Utah and Colorado, these towns invite you to slow down, soak in beauty, and create memories that last a lifetime. If you enjoyed hopping along with Traveling Kangaroo today and want more amazing travel inspiration and hidden gems from around the world, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Follow us on social media for daily travel tips and stunning photos that'll fuel your wanderlust. And be sure to visit our website at travelingkangaroo.com for exclusive guides and travel deals. Thanks for bouncing along with me today. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep traveling like a true kangaroo.